What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Fire TV stick with Alexa voice remote. Now this is not the 4K version because I do not have a 4K TV. However, it is the exact same thing with the exception of the 4K ability. I'll also be showing you guys the setup process. I will also be making a separate video on how to jailbreak the Fire Stick. Once I have made that video, I will go ahead and link it at the top right corner of the screen as well as in the description below. Having said that, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so real quick we'll go over what's included in the box, which should be the actual Fire TV stick, the Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, USB cable, and HDMI extender cable. And all you need to use one of these is high-speed internet and an HD TV with an HDMI port. So we'll go ahead and open it from the top. Here we go. We have a little tab here. We'll pull that out and then we'll flip it over and open it right up. So the first thing you see is some manuals. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. And then here on the left side we have a USB cable, and in the same pocket we have the HDMI extender cable, and that's it for this section. Now moving on over here, we have the AAA batteries. We also have a power brick, and then on the top we have the Alexa remote, and then this has to be the actual Fire Stick itself, which it is.
We're going to take this out.
It's a lot smaller than I expected. I've never actually owned one of these.
And then here is the remote.
So here's the remote, and then we need to go ahead and insert the AAA batteries right here in the back. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move on to the setup process. So now if you want, you can go ahead and use the extender. We'll just go ahead and use it for video purposes. So all you have to do is insert it like that. And the next thing you want to do is get the USB cable, plug it into the power brick, then get the other end of the cable, and then you're going to want to plug it into the side of the Power Stick. And now we're ready to plug these into our TV and our power outlet. Alright guys, so you're going to want to find the HDMI input on your TV. On this TV that I'm using, it is on the back, and as you can see, it says HDMI 1. Now you want to pay attention to which HDMI channel you're connecting to, so that way you can change your TV to that exact input. So in this case, it's going to be HDMI 1. So we're going to go ahead and remove this HDMI cable and then plug in our new one from our Fire Stick, which we'll go ahead and do really quick. And as you can see, it should look something like this. The next step is to plug in our power brick into the power outlet, which we're going to be doing right now. Alright. So now we're ready to finish the setup process on our TV. Once you turn on your TV, you're going to want to make sure you're on the right HDMI channel, just like how I am on HDMI 1 on the top right corner. Once you do that, you should get a pop-up like this. And now we're just going to go ahead and use our remote. And it's saying to click the home button, which would be the button with the house on it. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now we got a new menu showing up, which just says Fire Stick TV. And it says to press the play and pause button to start, which we're going to go ahead and do right now. Once you hit the play and pause button, you'll be brought to this menu. Here you're going to want to choose your language. So we're going to go ahead and put English, United States, and then we're going to click the middle button. Now it's going to ask us to choose our network, which is our Wi-Fi connection. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this first one, and then you're going to want to enter your Wi-Fi password. So now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Connection successful. And now it says it's downloading the latest software, so we're just going to have to go ahead and wait for that. Alright, so it just finished downloading the new software. Now it says it's going to restart the Power Stick. Alright guys, so it looks like it's pairing back on. We can see the Amazon logo, and now it's installing the latest software, so we have to wait once again. So after the installation, we got brought to this screen where it says optimizing system storage and applications, and it also says that this will take an approximately 10 minutes to complete, so we have to wait a little bit more, and hopefully after this the setup process will be complete or almost complete. Alright guys, so the next step is to sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, just go ahead and click I am new to Amazon. Here you'll get the steps to create an account, which is create an account at amazon.com/account. Step 2, after creating an account, press the back button to register your Amazon Fire TV TV stick. And then on the right side, we also have a plus sign where you can go ahead and create your account from here, I believe, and just go through the steps. But since I do have an account, I'm going to go ahead and go back and then go to I already have an account and sign in. Alright guys, so once you have signed into your Amazon account, you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll be asked if you want to enable parental controls, but if you're an adult and you don't need to have anything restricted, just go ahead and hit no parental controls. Now it's asking us for the brand of the TV, so the TV we're using right now is an Emerson, so we're going to go ahead and find that and click into that. Now it's saying that the next step is going to require music and to make sure your volume is turned up, so we're going to go ahead and hit next. Now what you're going to want to do is get your remote and toggle the volume up and down button, and now it's asking if the volume has changed, which it has in our case, so we're gonna go ahead and hit yes. And now our Fire TV remote is successfully set up. We're gonna go ahead and hit OK. It's asking us if we want to sign up for a Prime, so we're gonna go ahead and hit no thanks. Now it's asking us to choose your streaming services, which you can go ahead and hit get started from here, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit no thanks. And now we're in the Amazon Fire TV stick and our setup process is complete. Now all we have to do is go ahead and download the apps that we want to download. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to download an app. So let's say this internet app, let's say you want to download it, just go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to want to hit the download button. So now it says we got the app, so hit got it. And now it's downloading, as you can see on the bottom left corner. We'll go ahead and wait for that to finish up. And as you can see, the internet app has been added to our recently downloaded apps. But that sums up the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.